Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. I, Khairul Badri bin Ahmad, together with my friends, namely Muhammad Nur Azwan bin Kamaruddin and Alfan bin Sarail, will present an innovation entitled EzNoteXcess Streamlining Course Lecture Notes for Students. With the rapid growth of digital learning, students often struggle to organize and retrieve their course lecture notes effectively. Therefore, this innovation has an objective to develop a user-friendly mobile platform that simplifies the process of managing and accessing lecture notes. Currently, this mobile application is used by mechanical engineering students in Polytechnic Muka.
Innovation product or project impact. Students are able to access the course lecture note quickly using their own mobile device at any time and anywhere. Commercial potential. This innovation has a great potential to be used at a highest educational institution. Users and application. This mobile application can be installed on mobile phone running both on iOS and Android operating software. Users can access lecture notes easily using this application. Authenticity. This application is the hub for the student of Mechanical Engineering Department, Polytechnic Muka, to simplify retrieve the course lecture note.
Here is a video on how to use the EzNoteXcess mobile application to access course lecture notes quickly. That's all for our presentation. Thank you very much.